Hello and welcome to my channel. Today we've got this Bosch GSH5CE. It's going, but it's showing this disturbing red light. So what's causing that red light? I'm willing to bet it's a brush service she needs. So here's brand new brushes for her. These say Bosch, but there's no part number, so that means they're aftermarket, so they'll probably do. So we'll quickly unplug this and try and get it on with the job in hand. So that's her unplugged, and there's a little hexagon screw in the bottom that you pull out. This is quite an easy fix. This is a DIY fix. You don't need a Dr. Left-hand thread for this one really, but somebody has decided they did. So more power to them. Different than a lot of brushes, these brushes are sided. You'll see these ones at the top with this extra wire. And that's the one that'll be thrown on the light. That's the low brush wire, or whatever you call it. I'll put this down a bit closer so you can see what I'm doing here. So pull that off. There's a little spring that holds this down. You pop that wee spring out and pull the brush out. And it's a good opportunity now to pop the other on, to be quite honest with you. Oops. There you are. You can see the difference if you look at the length. Anyway, so we'll pop this other wire off. Put the new wire on. There we are. So that's one side. I've just turned it over there, and as you can see, the other side is only one wire, like this. And that wire on the other side is only for a wire guide. That's all it's for. That's all it does. There's nothing else for you. That's all there is to it. We just have to put the cover back on. Just slide the cover back on, and then again, just put on this little Allen key thing, this hexagon, just screw it on. So there's the old brushes now, and the one with the extra wire, which I explained. As you can see, there's a little stopper there. That's the thing that throws on your red light. So anyway, we'll plug her in and see if we've got a result. We should have. As you can see, no red lights, so that's her fixed. So if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and check out my channel for all my other videos.